Hey guys, in this part we talk about styles in HTML. Setting the style of an HTML element can be done with the style attribute. The HTML style attribute has the following syntax: tag name and the style attribute and property equal to value and semicolon. The property is a CSS property and value is a CSS value. You will learn more about CSS later in this tutorial. Background color. The CSS background color property defines the background color for an HTML element. So for example, I create two elements. The first is h1, this is a heading, and a paragraph, this is a paragraph. Paragraph. And set the background to the body background color equal to blue, or blue, and Ctrl S, Ctrl R. The background is blue, and set background color for two different elements. For example, remove this style and set background for h1 background color red and style background color green. And Ctrl S, Ctrl R, red and green. Text color. The CSS color property defines the text color for an HTML element. So, for example, set the text color to the h1 color equal to white and color equal to red, and Ctrl S, Ctrl R. The color is white, the color is red. Fonts. Text size. The CSS font size property defines the text size for an HTML element. So for example, set the font size to the paragraph, for example 30 pixel, and font size to the h1 and 50 pixel. Ctrl S and Ctrl R. The font size are changed. Text alignment. The CSS text align property defines the horizontal text alignment for an HTML element. So for example, set the text align to the h1 center, and for example text align to the paragraph right, and Ctrl S, the h1 in the center and the paragraph in the right.